In this video, we will understand how you can create a package where for a one-time payment, you can give laundry services for 50 garments. This package is meant to be garment quantity specific and expires automatically post the completion of 50 garments processing. Let us understand how to create this. To begin with, go to Super Admin and click on Admin, reach the package dashboard, click on Create Package, mention the package details, package cost, wallet recharge amount would be 0. Now choose the availability for sale. It could be number of months, days, or years. Choose the package validity. This is the time in which the customer can consume this particular package. Keep moving next. Now on this page, click on I want to create packages based on weight or garments quantity. Click on yes for the confirmation. Now mention the garment quantity. Select the garments to be allowed. You can choose any particular garment. In this case, we're taking all the garments. Now unmark all services and select the particular service on which you're going to give this package. Here in service, we need to put 100% discount as this package only depends on the allowed quantity of clothes, which means when you will order the garment quantity from the package, it'll be automatically deducted. And once it reaches 0, the customer will have to recharge the package again. Now in laundry, mention 100% and this is the part of the package. Now choose the store code on which you want to apply this package. It could be on all the stores or any particular store. Now on this page, you can see the complete summary of the package that we've just created along with the description, the balance, the duration. If everything seems all right, just click on create package. Once you create this package is ready to be assigned to the customers. I hope you now understand how you can create a garment based package